Hello friends, welcome back to the Money Video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we solve this problem in our Redmi phone. Guys, you can see guys, everything is different like ghost guys, and guys you don't know guys what is happening in your phone. So how can you solve this problem means how can you solve and guys, how can you stop this setting in your Redmi phone. Today I will show you guys in this video friends. So as you can see, everything is different in your phone. So then how can you solve this problem? Don't worry friends, today I will show you. Then guys you can solve this problem in your Android phone and guys any Redmi phone. So how to solve this color problem? So why we call it color inversion problem, and how to solve color inversion problem. Now let's see. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting to solve color inversion. Then guys scroll on. As you can see guys, your phone additional setting, tap here, scroll it, accessibility, click here. Hence you can see your accessibility setting. It is the main part of phone. This setting is scroll it. As you can see your this setting, this color inversion icon, this right side is blue icon, you can say on your screen. So when only you will have to click on this icon, then guys your problem will solve it. And then guys tap here, problem solve. You can see guys, as you can use your each and everything in your phone without this color problem. Wait and watch, you can see guys. I hope friends you've understood how to solve color inversion problem. So that's it again. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friend. Before going, please go and like the video. And friends, do you have any doubt any related to guys your phone color problem, you can ask me in the comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.